welcome back to XSP Green Monster channel. I just got home the other day, so now we are up at my friend Dylan's, and I'm going to show you guys his build as well. And we are going to meter the truck. So he's got a termlab Magnum, so we're going to try and meter this thing and see how it goes. And then I'll also show you guys his build. And yeah, so if you enjoyed the video, please give it a big thumbs up. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and leave a comment down below a video you guys would like to see. Alright, so first thing I need to do is actually get all this stuff hooked back up because the amp isn't completely hooked up yet, so I'm going to do that quickly and then we will get going. Completely forgot that the remote wire is actually still not hooked up to this amplifier. Alright, so we're out here. We got me and Dylan, one of the guys that got me into this. So we're gonna kind of get this all ready. We're gonna do some music runs on it first, see how she does. This is gonna be metering a lot different. Before, when I metered it, I was up at like 2,000 feet elevation, so now we're up at 5,800-ish. So we'll see, we're going for the 50. We'll see what happens. We'll start off by just pulling as much out of these as I can and turn up my alternators to 14.9. Come on. There we go. Alright. Everything's running at 14.9. Then you actually want to hold down the screen.
Sure.
We'll see what she does on the favorite demo song. You gotta roll really softly into it. Let's see what we can do. Come on. There we go.
I may just reset this guy real quick.
Yeah. So I'll just slowly start bumping up the frequency. So that was at 21?
Yeah, that was at 21.
Okay, I'm just gonna go 25. Oh, yeah, there we go. 55.4.
Gain.
A little bit. Let's try bumping up the frequency again. We're gonna cut this thing out so much.
Yeah, it's just like when I had my shit wired low. You can actually hear it coming.
Run up to 30. It's gonna hate this, but... A little bit more. You can smell them now. Let's see. 35.
peak was at 140 something. So this is at 146. I don't know if you can see that on that. Or it's actually at
35 hertz.
153.7, 35 is what it's saying on the RTA part of it. What you'd have to do is we'd have to do a peak hold on a sweep. But right now, that's your peak, whatever you just played.
Okay, I'll try 1 decimal higher and we'll see how it goes.
That's wild.
Gain a little bit.
Mm-hmm.
So 36 there. Go to 37. I can't believe it's still gaining.
I know, that's wild.
Okay, I guess we'll just go to 40. Oh, those things are gonna be hot. It's weird.
Really?
Yeah. All right, so we just kind of got done with like the official metering. Now we're just messing around and see what we can get out of it. So we're gonna do some doors open stuff and then some port scores at 20 hertz, and we'll see what we do here. I don't know if we'll try one more time on that. This belt's getting a workout, that's for sure. It's right up there.
Dude, my screen was going crazy.
How'd that sound over on your side to your ears?
It was good, dude.
Alright, you want to hold it one more time? So we'll be doing this one in the port. We'll see what she does on 20 hertz. I'd hold that thing. I might get sucked in. The port's nasty on 20 hertz.
Oh, we'll see. We'll see what it does. That's so funny.
148 in the port.
Set it farther in so it won't fall out.
It fall out before it really peaked.
Yep.
Alright. Let's see. It didn't even cut out that time. .52 at 20 hertz.
Yep.
We'll see what she does with something higher. She's louder at 20 hertz in the port than...
And not just like a little bit.
Alright, time for some just quick demos. He hasn't heard it in a little bit. It's been a minute. Are you ready? Alright, so we just got back here to Dylan's house. Actually, I'm going to show you guys his build. We just finished metering the truck, and it did pretty well. Looks like we blew a coolant hose, though. So, but yeah, I'll go over those numbers once I get back. But yeah, so this is Dylan and his Explorer, and he can kind of run you through what he's doing right now, this thing.
Yeah, so right now I'm actually doing a full rebuild. I shouldn't say full rebuild. I'm keeping the shell and rebuilding the back and the front. And pretty much it's 12 excess power XP750, so just little batteries for the electrical system back here. All Sky-High car audio cabling, and then it'll be a DC 5K to start out with, and then eventually I'll upgrade to another DC 5K. But yeah, what we got going on right here is just a bunch of fiberglass going on. Eventually I'll have some SMD terminals right there. I actually use one of the speaker terminals to pass power to the bolts. And then in here, not a lot of light to work with, but yeah, we just got the shell, C-pillar wall, just like Riley. And yeah, just a bunch of fiberglass work to go. 4 DC audio level 412s is what the build will be. It'll be a 6th order. So it should be interesting. I'm actually having EasyDB Designs draw me up something, and then I'll end up building it. And yeah, just got a bunch of fiberglass work to go. Door panels show up next week. Hopefully early next week, so I can just start jamming out on those. Those will be 2 McLaren MLM 8As, 2 per door. I'm not sure what I'm going to go with for tweeters yet. I have a few SMD meters to go, so I can finish up that A-pillar build as well. And my center console I also have to finish up. So yeah, we have a bunch of shit to finish up in here. Right now it's running a Super Street Extreme because I don't have a headliner or door panels, which kind of sucks. But once I get those in, I'll be running a Super Street 3/4 class. Yeah.
Of course, Sky-High DC audio, Steve Mead, all the same stuff.
Yeah.
Another teammate on Team 5B Bangers as well, and newly formed Excess Power. So.
Yep. Yeah, and so what we got rolling here is D3400 under the hood, just like Riley. Eventually it'll be 2 more alternators. I'm not sure if I'll go with a small case or a large case. It depends what will fit with the bracket Jimmy makes. Same bracket Riley actually has, just for a different make model. This is a Singer 240 amp alternator, 4 runs of OFC everywhere, 0 gauge. Yeah, and then the other 2 alternators will actually go here. And like I said, not sure if I'm going to go with the small or large case. The interesting is they're actually GM alternators that fit his bracket.
Are they actually GM alternators?
Yeah, so it'll be 1 Ford and 2 GM alternators. Yeah, and I'll just keep them internally regulated.
Awesome. Always clean, as usual.
It's a little dusty now. But, yeah, as soon as spring rolls by, I'm hoping to clean everything up. Go around, clean up the wire with like some paint thinner or something to get all that road sludge off.
Awesome.
Yeah.